Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to show you how to make money by writing. You won't need any skills or investments to do this, and you don't even need to be an expert. If you want to learn how, we recommend that you stay for the entire video before we get started with today's video. If it is your first time here, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. We're going to show you how to make at least $450 per day using a trick we found on Google. Remember that the only way this will work is if you follow the steps carefully, because if you don't and make a mistake, your method will most likely fail. So stay tuned and maybe take some notes, and let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser and put moneypantry.com into the Google search bar. Once you've done that, you're going to see this page right here. Now, if you look through the web page and if you scroll down, you'll see that there are some make money tips, save money tips, and freebies. Under those three are different websites that will get the job done for you. We only wanted to show you that for a little while, so you could get a little background on this web page, including other information on the website, and understand how it relates to our money-making method today. Now we want you to open a brand new tab and type in moneypantry.com/get-paid-to-write. Now double check that you typed it correctly, because the page that pops up must be similar to the one you're seeing on our screen. You'll see right away that you may get paid to write by using the websites provided on this page, which can pay you anywhere from $50 to $3,000 on every blog post. Isn't that incredible? Now if we scroll down, there are so many writing jobs that you can apply for. You can even see so many different things that you can write about. Now in this video, we want you to click on Vibrant Life, which you can find under General Interest post, right here. Just follow along with the video so you don't get lost. After you've selected that, you'll see a whole page of writer's guidelines, which means you'll see all you need to know about writing so that the content of the blog post you'll be writing is accurate and correct for this job listing. You can see over here philosophy style, submissions, manuscripts, reliability, payment, and everything else you need to know. The steps are easy when it comes to creating your own article first. You'll need to find out what this writing job requests of you to do, and then you go ahead and start your research, read about the topic a little, maybe look up some articles in the same subject, copy it, and then you can go on spinbot.com to have it paraphrased, so it's as if you made the whole thing on your own. Apart from what we've given you, you may check out other links since, as you know, you can easily go on there and find whatever it is that interests you, because the more interested you are in the subject, the more you'll have to write about and the better your output will be. There are some listings that pay per article and there are some that pay per word. Just imagine looking through all these listings and trying a lot, and then earning a lot. It's as easy as that. You don't even need to go on Google and look up jobs like this individually because everything is already on there. Remember the trick that we showed you just now? So that's one less job for you to do. Make sure to exactly follow that because it will most likely lessen the hassle of looking for jobs under categories like this. Make sure to stay until the very last second of today's video because we're going to show you another extra trick to be able to make amazing articles very easily. You will not believe this. Before we get into the next one, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you aren't subscribed yet and click the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video and to be the first ones to know a million more ways to make money online. Don't forget to smash that like button and leave your comments down below to show your support and tell us what you think. Now we want you to go ahead and visit Quora.com. We want you to make this website the main source of all the information you're going to be including in the articles you'll be making and submitting, so you can either log in with your Google account or Facebook account or sign up. Or if you already have a Quora account, then you can easily just log into that too. You don't need to create an account because all you'll be doing is searching, which you can do on the website without one. But I'm subscribed and I enjoy the readings that they send me every now and then. And I think it would be great if you did as well. Anyways, it is on this website that you can find content for the articles that you're going to make, and then simply just copy them, and then, like we mentioned earlier, you can go on spinbot.com to get the whole copied article paraphrased, and it would look like you made it all by yourself, which means no copyright or plagiarism happening, so that should be the least of your concerns. So you can see the search bar on the webpage, which isn't hard to find, and that's where you look up the topic of the article that you need to write. You can even ask questions if you want, but that's not the main focus of today's video. So yes, you can get your content from here, but make sure that you paraphrase it so that you don't get flagged on it being copyrighted or anything. You can read through all of the options and opinions given on your topic. Try asking questions too, because there might be answers for them already, and you may use them to add into the articles that you will be making. Now, you're going to proceed by opening Google Docs, which is simply where you're going to be creating your articles, because Google Docs easily correct any grammatical error, as well as misplacement of words and wrong spellings, which makes the whole creation process way easier, since you won't need to proofread it because Google Docs is already doing it for you. This is completely free, so try and utilize these free online workstations made because it actually helps a lot more than anyone assumes it does. So, open Google Docs, just follow through in creating a brand new blank document, and then from there on, you can already start organizing your articles. Another thing about Google Docs is that if you want to start from scratch and not actually copy from a whole article and just paraphrase, you can do that. You can even speak rather than typing. Here's how you're going to do it. Go on Tools and the bar on top, and then select Voice Typing. So basically how this works is that you're going to speak to your computer's microphone regarding the content you're writing about, and then they'll do all the typing for you. So if you want an article to come from maybe a video or an interview, or just you simply talking, you may not need to type it all down one by one anymore, since you can easily do this instead because Google Docs will be your assistant in doing so. Isn't it super convenient? It's definitely the best thing ever. Anyway, there's one more thing we'd like to mention. Try searching for Get Paid to Write on Google. It's important to remember that the website we were on earlier that showed us a lot of different websites is still different from what we're showing you right now. So this acts as an addition to all the other websites you've already seen. More websites mean more sources of income, and you can make a pretty decent amount if you combine them all together. So make sure to do that, okay? We hope you made it all the way up here because if you did, you're going to have a wonderful day ahead of you. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to express your appreciation and support for this video. Also, hit that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you'll be the first one to know whenever a new video is out on how to make extra money online using a variety of different methods. Big thanks to everyone who tuned in, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.